Annessa. She likes TikTok. And she's 18 and makes me feel old.
She's our TikTok queen. So she's the one who has done all of our TikToks. She's really good at it. She's really good at what she does. And she is an expert in putting makeup on. She does my makeup sometimes. And she also knows how to braid hair. So when I don't want to do my hair, she braids my hair.
Parece que es bien seria, pero quién sabe, ¿verdad?
Es buena onda. Y por allá pues casi no sale de la oficina. So no.
Annessa, the youngster. What can you say? She's got a lot to learn, but you know what? She's pretty quick. She's a good girl.
The youngster.
Pues Annessa es la de los TikToks.
She likes to drink iced coffee just in case anybody wants to bring her some coffee. It's iced coffee.